I just got the TokyoTreat box from Japan, and it is supposed to contain different foods and candies from Japan, and it actually was shipped to me directly from Japan, so I am super excited to see what's inside here. I just opened the seal and decided to open it up and see with you guys what I got. Okay, so let's see. Here we have a Tutti Frutti TokyoTreat Volume 41 May 2019. And let's just take a little peek inside. Oh, it shows different treats in Japan. Okay. Next up, we have this letter. It says, oh, they couldn't ship me something because it had meat substances and they can't send that to Japan. So instead, I'll be getting the salt and wasabi chips. Oh, that must be this. Okay. I love wasabi. It's so spicy. Let's take a look. There's so much stuff in here. I can't believe it. Okay. Let's see what else is in here. Ooh, this feels like a candy. Well, it's all in Japanese, so I don't know what it is. It says 46th anniversary. So this is just so much fun. And if you are interested in getting this box, you can check out the link below and buy it. Oh, look how cute. It's a little bunny rabbit. It looks like little candies, like candy cookies maybe. I'm not really sure, but I'm so excited to try all this unique stuff. Okay, here is this, and on the back it shows, it's like mixing powder. Oh, maybe you make ice cream yourself. Oh, that's really interesting. There's a toothpick in here and then these pink things. I don't know if they're candy or gum, but they look tasty and I'm guessing that they're cherry flavored. Ooh, what is this? I'm guessing this is wasabi soup, but this is just really exciting not knowing what it is and being able to try all this unique stuff from Japan. Hello Kitty! Oh, I think that this might be a strawberry candy. Oh, this is so exciting. Oof, Fanta. I've never seen this before. Oh, look how cool. I just love all the different writing on it. I wish I could read it. Ooh, okay, so this is like mushy. I think it's like marshmallows or something. Little marshmallow treats. Kit Kats, what flavor? Japanese sake Kit Kats. I know that they make a whole bunch of different types. So that'll be really fun. I love the drink sake, so I'm assuming that the Kit Kat sake is gonna be delicious and very unique. This. Comment down below what you think this is. Here is the opening. It's obviously something strawberry. It looks like it's like it's very lightweight. I'm wondering if it's like some sort of a, like, meringue type thing or what it is. This feels like chips. I'm not quite sure, but it looks like fun. This looks like, oh, I think these are like those little noodles that you put on top of your soup. Okay, let's see what else. Ooh, this is a lot. Okay, so here. Okay, so look, it says caramel corn on it, but they look like little cheese puffs, so I'm not quite sure what exactly, but it comes with 4 little baggies, so that is super duper fun. Now let's look at this close up. Oh, okay, so here, I think it talks about the food. Okay, this is the Sakura Matcha Kit Kats. Oh, that's a different flavor. Well, that's neat. Oh, and look, you can scan me for a surprise. That's pretty unique. Oh, this shows all the different things and talks about them. So this is the sake Kit Kats right here. Here is, oh, this is chocolate corn puffs. What? That's crazy. Let's see what else we have going on here. Oh, this is the Hello Kitty. It's a strawberry lollipop. This is the new Mochi Taro Puffs right there. It says our little crunchy puffs are light and easy to snack. They make a great afternoon snack when you're needing an extra boost. Let's see what else we have that I got. Oh, the caramel corn puffs. That was a packet of 4 that they had sent me. They're caramel corn puffs. Come in a pack of 4, so they're perfect for sharing with friends. Once you get a taste of the sweet caramel, you'll be hooked. Oh yeah, so here is the crisp doTERRA crispy flakes. They're crispy flakes that have a delicious curry flavor. Make perfect for topping for undo soup. So that's perfect. I love undo soup. Oh, here is this thing. It is strawberry soft creamy DIY snacks. You create your own soft cream cone with DIY snack kit. It tastes like strawberry soft serve. That is so unique. Oh, and these are the little squishy things. Strawberry mochi. It's a chewy mochi that has a sweet strawberry filling. They're a great snack when you're craving something fruity and sweet. Oh, and here's this thing I was thinking was maybe, okay, Ginza Rusk Pink Strawberry Biscuits. These biscuits are loaded with rich chocolate and sweet strawberry flavor. Once you eat one, you won't be able to stop. Well, that is so cool. Oh, and then they talk about the Saki Kit Kats. I'm so excited to try them. And then they give you directions on how to make these little ice cream cones. Oh, my elves on the shelf would love those. They're so little and cute. And don't forget, check out the link below where you can actually go ahead and purchase this subscription box. It's priced really great as well. And then they sell all these cute little toys. Look at the bear. Let's see what else. Oh, you can actually win stuff. They have mini contests in their subscription box. That's really neat. And discover strawberries. Oh, and these are different people that posted pictures of themselves with it. So once again, if you're interested in getting this amazing subscription box, check out the link below. You can go ahead and buy it.